Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I want to tell you about the awesome MacBook Air 2020 model. My favorite part about it is how easy it is to sync with all of your other Apple devices. I do a lot of video editing, so I record videos with my phone, and instead of having to plug in a cable, I love that I can just airdrop heavy files right into my MacBook and I can start editing right away. That is super important to me. It has made my work so much easier. Another thing I like about this MacBook Air is how lightweight it is. Even though it's very lightweight, very portable, it is still super powerful. On top of that, I really like the Retina display that it has. The colors are so vibrant. I really enjoy watching movies and show in this MacBook, and the sound is actually very good. It has two powerful speakers on the sides of the keyboard. So if you're looking to have a very lightweight MacBook that you can take anywhere, but it still has all the power that it can offer to do any task you need, I really recommend the MacBook Air, and that is my point of view.